Hello design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Before we start, want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family today. We are diving into the heart of the home to discuss a feature that has evolved from a simple prep station into a true architectural masterpiece. The modern kitchen island. By definition, a modern kitchen island is a freestanding cabinet or countertop space situated in the center of the kitchen. Designed with contemporary aesthetics and high-level functionality in mind. Unlike the traditional islands of the past, the modern version focuses on clean lines, innovative materials like quartz or waterfall marble, and integrated technology. It serves as a multi-purpose hub that bridges the gap between the kitchen and the living area, often acting as a bridge for social interaction while maintaining a sleek, uncluttered appearance that defines the modern movement. The benefits of incorporating a modern kitchen island into your home go far beyond just adding extra counter space. Firstly, it significantly improves the workflow of your kitchen by creating a more efficient work triangle, allowing multiple people to cook or prep simultaneously without crowding. Beyond utility, it acts as a social magnet. It is a natural gathering spot for family and friends, providing a casual space for breakfast, homework, or evening cocktails. Modern islands also offer a massive boost in storage capacity, featuring hidden drawers, pull-out spice racks, or even integrated wine fridges that keep your main counters clear of clutter. Furthermore, a well-designed island increases the overall resale value of your home, as it is often the first thing potential buyers notice in a contemporary open-concept layout. It's not just a piece of furniture, it's an investment in your lifestyle and your home's efficiency. To make your modern kitchen island look truly professional, the key is balancing minimalism with personality. Start with the rule of 3 for your surface decor, perhaps a large ceramic bowl filled with fresh seasonal fruit, sleek sculptural vase with a few eucalyptus branches, and a stack of aesthetic cookbooks. Lighting is equally crucial. Oversized pendant lights or a minimalist linear chandelier hanging above the island will frame the space and provide a wow factor. To maintain that modern edge, keep the color palette cohesive with the rest of your kitchen, but don't be afraid to add a pop of texture, such as a marble tray to corral smaller items, or high-quality linen napkins tucked under a set of stylish coasters. Remember, the goal is to make it look curated, not cluttered, so ensure that every item you place on the counter has a purpose or a beautiful silhouette. When it comes to the best styles for a modern kitchen island, several trends currently dominate the world of high-end interior design. The waterfall island remains a top choice for a luxurious look, where the countertop material, usually marble or quartz, extends vertically down the sides to the floor, creating a seamless, fluid appearance. For those who prefer a more organic feel, this Scandi modern style uses light-toned woods and matte black accents to create a warm yet minimalist vibe. Industrial modern islands are also popular, featuring concrete tops, metal frames, and exposed hardware for an edgy, urban look. If you have a smaller space, the cantilevered or floating island is an excellent choice, as it offers a sleek breakfast bar with an overhanging counter that creates a sense of lightness and extra legroom. Each style offers a unique way to express your personal taste while keeping your kitchen at the forefront of DCs. If you're forefront of contemporary design, the kitchen island is no longer just an afterthought. It is the soul of the modern home. Whether you choose a dramatic waterfall edge or a cozy wooden breakfast bar, your island should reflect how you live and how you love to host. By focusing on clean lines, thoughtful decor, and functional styles, you can transform your kitchen into a space that feels both high-end and incredibly welcoming. We hope this guide has inspired you to rethink your kitchen layout and embrace the beauty of modern design. If you enjoyed this deep dive into modern kitchen islands, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home styling inspiration. Want to hear from you which style is your favorite? Are you a fan of the dramatic waterfall marble, or do you prefer a more minimalist wood finish? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our weekly decor tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.